Hi everyone, this story is about Lin Guoer. She had a dream of building a place called Paradise since she was a child. She also wanted to learn every skill through trial and error and build an empire in her world around her, right in China. Most people can tell how valuable she is, with the scar on her head. So as a child, she liked to repair anything in the house first before going to the store to be replaced with a newer model item. So share her videos because she has gone viral. Not with just my 40 million likes below, so show me some love on my account uploads below. The videos posted on this account are all about my professional skills. Please don't try to imitate them without putting in the hard work first. Lin Guoer, perseverance and passion. This is gonna blow your mind, how this young woman took a leap of faith. Who looks way upon herself to make changes in her life one day at a time. Even if she sees one setback in front of her, she rises to face the challenge. Each time she meets them one day at a time. This is what sets her apart from everyone else. But Lin refused to quit on any task in front of her. One misstep only builds on making things that much better. Each stepping stone is only a new beginning. Her journey is only a reminder for all of us that true love of self lies right below your heart. It's your feet that move you by placing your foot one step at a time. So just take a look at Lin's story and understand that everyone from around the world is always watching you, and every move daily. This is a short story about Lin Guoer. She is not a dream girl, but a woman who makes anything she touches into a piece of paradise since she was a child. She wanted to learn more skills, so she did through lots of trial and error. So she built an empire in her world around her, right in her home in China. Most people can tell how valuable she is with the scar on top of her head. Such a hard charger, yes, see, is that hard-nosed, aggressive person always working on something different at home. That's challenging, because while sitting at home, she just had to put her head and hands to work. Lin just loved to repair anything available, just because it was valuable to others. Yes, anything in the house first before going to the store to be replaced with a newer model item. So, share her videos because she has gone viral. Not just my 40 million likes below, not because of all her hard work. Just getting there. Yes, it sounds like you're sharing a story or promotion about Lin Guoer, highlighting her inspiring journey and her viral videos focused on professional skills, especially in restoration and repair. Lin Guoer's story, by promoting how Lin Guoer, highlights her inspiring journey and her viral videos focused on professional skills, especially in restoration and repair. Sure. Here's a polished explanation promoting Lin Guoer's inspiring journey and her viral videos. Discover Lin Guoer, an inspiring journey of skill, persistence, and empowerment. First of all, Lin Guoer has captivated the world with her incredible story of perseverance and dedication. From a young age, she dreamed of creating her empire in her homeland of China, driven by a passion for mastering her skills through trial and error. Despite facing challenges, symbolized by her distinctive scar, she has shown that true value lies in resilience and continuous learning. Her childhood was marked by a love for repairing things around her home, preferring to fix and restore items instead of replacing them. This natural talent and unwavering determination have fueled her journey to become a professional in restoration and repair. Today, Lin Guoer's videos have gone viral, showcasing her exceptional skills and inspiring countless viewers worldwide. Her content emphasizes the importance of craftsmanship, patience, and innovation. However, she also reminds everyone to respect the craft. Her videos are for educational purposes, and imitation is discouraged. Join her journey, watch her viral videos, and show her some love. Support her work and get inspired by her story of turning dreams into reality. Check out her content here. Lin Guoer. Let's celebrate her dedication and the inspiring path she's paving for aspiring artisans everywhere. Lin Guoer. H-Tips Lin Guoer .page link XATS power restoration Lin Guoer Fa DNG Fan Sin